ANZAC Day is a time for all Australians and New Zealanders to remember those who served and sacrificed themselves so that we can enjoy the freedom we have today. We have a duty to remember and honour the legacy that may guide us during difficult times.
The medals are worn in their honour as a symbol of respect. Old diggers wear them on ANZAC Day. It shows they don't forget. The old digger then climbed to his feet and asked the boy to stand. Carefully, he removed the medals and placed them in his hand.
They shall not grow old as we that left grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun, and in the morning, we will remember them.